Want massive, powerful forearms that actually turn heads? Just 5 exercises can transform your arms for life. Watch till the end. Your forearms are about to evolve like never before. Exercise 1. Reverse wrist curl, using dumbbells or water bottles. This is one of the best movements to build outer forearm muscles. Simply move your wrists down and up, slow and controlled. Do 15 reps per set for each hand. Why it works? Because it builds grip strength and brings out that veiny look. Exercise 2. Farmer's walk with heavy objects. Hold heavy weights in each hand, dumbbells or water gallons, and walk straight. Keep your arms still and tight for 30 seconds. This builds static grip and insane forearm endurance. It's a functional move that real athletes use to build raw power. Exercise 3. Hammer curl, neutral grip. This variation of the bicep curl hits the forearms directly. Hold the dumbbell vertically like a hammer and curl. It targets the brachioradialis, the muscle that gives width to your arms. 12 reps times 3 sets equals thicker arms and that insane vascular look. Exercise 4. Towel twist, wringing a towel. Take a towel, grab it from both sides and twist it hard, like you're squeezing water out. This targets the wrist and forearm muscles at the same time. Perfect for home workouts. No gym needed. Great for real-world forearm strength. Exercise 5. Dead hang on bar. Hang from a pull-up bar or strong door frame. Let your full weight pull your arms. No movement needed. Just hang for 30 to 60 seconds. This builds tendon strength and takes your grip to beast level. Try this 3 times a week. You'll feel the gains. These 5 exercises alone can transform your arms completely. If you stay consistent. Not just strength, your forearms will look insane. If you found value, like and share with someone who's tired of having skinny arms.